Ideas of development. What is the meaning of ideas? What is the meaning of development? First introduction part. Our society, suppose in the world, so many countries there. Our India also one of the largest country. According to population, second place. Our India, there are 28 states. The 28 states ideas of development are different of ideas and different of developments there. Suppose one of the state Himachal Pradesh state. Himachal Pradesh state it is the main idea of the development first take up education. Arunachal Pradesh government, Himachal Pradesh government main priority education, free education. Here especially girls education. Girls education is the main mode of the ideas of the development. Now today Himachal Pradesh state is the one of the largest, highest literacy rate state in India. Why the government follow the government to implement the so many development programs, especially education. According to education, the government to provide allotted crores money. Even girls' education is the very important of the Himachal Pradesh government. Suppose our Andhra Pradesh state also education is the main goal. Education is the main indicator of the development. Main indicator of the development. Suppose our society, different group of people there. Different group of people, different types of people. Suppose poor people, small farmers, big farmers, medium farmers, rich people, different type of working people, low income, high income, middle income people. Suppose small farmer or daily wage worker. Suppose example daily wage worker. Daily wage worker idea of the development. Daily work. The people daily search the work. Suppose one of the not work there, the family. The daily worker family, daily wage worker family is very suffered. Why? The people is completely depend upon daily wage work. The people idea daily work have work there. That's why the people idea daily work there, daily have work there. The people working different type of. Suppose girls. Compare the boys, suppose society, which people are development areas, girls need also equality of the boys according to education, according to property, socially, economically, politically. The girls also want to equality of the boys compared the boys. Small farmer is the not suffer of the cropping. The farmers also not suffer. Suppose big farmer need the food grains or the goods price rate. I mean the minimum support price is very high. The people of the different type of people, different needs there. Our society. Women's, men's, girls, boys, low income people, high income people, different people, different goals, different ideas. Suppose our Indian society, suppose the world, there are number of countries. Suppose daily wage worker some better wages, want to better wages. Big farmer ideas of development wants better price rate. I mean, goods price rates the want better. Some different people, different goals. Our India also, some different. There are number of states there. The states' goals or ideas of development also different. Suppose one of the state idea of the development want education. Education is the main important idea of some states per capita income. Suppose our India per capita income, highest per capita income state Punjab and Haryana are the highest per capita income states. According to literacy level, Punjab and Haryana compared to Kerala, low literacy. Suppose Kerala, Himachal Pradesh states priority, ideas of development, priority education. The states is the 90% above 100, approximately 100% literacy rate have it. Our Andhra Pradesh state, Telangana state, different states, different ideas of the development. Today our topic ideas of the development introduction. Development meaning different types there. Progress, growth, there are etc. So many types of things there. One of the topic discuss. One of the example topic code and code. Code and code. This Kodankola is a nuclear power project. Nuclear power project. Nuclear power project found in Kodankola village. Kodankola village is located in Tamil Nadu state. Tamil Nadu east coast, one of the village Kodankola, sea coast area. The village, one of the main important nuclear power project established in Kodankola village of central government. The nuclear power projects development is a development idea, development program. Power projects benefits, so many benefits there. First one, the electricity. Power projects benefits come from electricity. Our India is completely electrified. All villages, all areas is completely electrified. Why? From the nuclear power projects. Our India, so many power projects established in different regions there. Which purpose our India completely electrified? All villages, all cities completely electrified. Electricity is the main indication of the development. The project main idea, development idea throughout India, is not only Tamil Nadu state, but Kodankola is a small village. Nuclear power projects affects so many effects there. Environment effects. The Kodankola village people avoid the nuclear power project. The people hesitation against the nuclear power project. Why? The people completely affected from nuclear power project. So many health diseases. The long period. The people area water is completely polluted. Atmosphere polluted, water, air, the atmosphere also completely affected from nuclear power project. That's why the people is avoided, against the nuclear power project, the people hesitation, protest against the nuclear power project. The idea of the development, the nuclear power project is a very important development of idea. Development. Kodankola village, the effect of the people, health, education, all things completely affected by the nuclear power project of Kodankola village people. One side development, one side effect. Especially environment affected. The people also long time so many diseases, leukemia, cancer, skin diseases, so many diseases affected from nuclear power project. The people completely and go to courts also. Supreme Court also appoint the one of the Supreme Justice Sanjay Vari. The person the completely collect the so many people information. The people submit the report to the government. Ultimately, the nuclear power project established in Kodamkulam village. So many benefits in India. So nuclear power it is the Kodamkulam nuclear power project is the idea of the development one side our country or society. Another time the village people is completely affected. I mean not development of idea. Is the different idea of ideas of development. Different income and criteria. Society, our Indian society, world different income countries, income also different. Suppose high income people ideas are is completely different compared to low income people. Suppose rich countries, the world development countries there are in our world, America, France, Germany, United Kingdom, so many etc. These countries people idea also completely different goals, different incomes, different criteria. Our India society, our Indian society, so many villages there, lakhs villages, so many cities, so many number of states there. The village people, the states people, the society people ideas also different. Suppose different income, different goals. Suppose high income people, the purchasing capacity also very high. High income people ideas, suppose whatever may be, so many peoples there. The people's ideas of development, high income people, the purchasing capacity of also high level. Suppose price rate there, the highest prices there, so many goods. The people is completely purchase the goods. Okay, next class in continuation will come and correct.